Hi, this is Roma from FastInfo class. Here I am the mentor for spoken English classes, and we are going to tell you that what sort of facilities we are providing through our classes. So as you all know, right now through YouTube, through different kind of social media, you can definitely avail the classes by sitting your home. But these are the all preloaded videos. But what exactly our mission is, or what exactly our vision regarding the class is, we are going to provide you the live interaction classes. So here our teachers are going to provide you with the live interactions where you can take part with different kind of topics regarding group discussion, debates. You can go ahead with the how to deal with the interviews. So these all facilities we provide. But if you are going with different kind of digital platform, and if you are going to see their charges, they are charging high, but we have a complete different vision about this, our company. The vision is here that we want to reach to each and every kind of people, and with that doesn't mean that they have to belong from the posh family. They can be from anywhere of India, and they can be from the different kind of standard. Okay, so in that case they can avail our classes at a very nominal charges. So here you can avail our classes with a very nominal charges. And the first and foremost thing is, by sitting at your home, safety and security, you can avail our classes. And if you are working as well, if you are a working professional or you are a student, that doesn't matter. You can avail the classes with a different kind of time schedule. And how it is going to benefit you, the thing is, when you are going to interact, when you are going to practice how to interact with other people, that can automatically going to upgrade and upskill yourself. So by doing this kind of practice and by availing our classes, you can automatically, this is going to be an aid to your speaking English skill. So if you want to do it, if you want to definitely grab this opportunity with FastInfo class, then please log into www.fastinfoclass.com. There you can get each and every kind of details about the spoken English classes. And on the top of that, you can do one thing. You can definitely go ahead with the different video, like with the YouTube video links. You can subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching for this video. You can definitely go ahead and like, share and subscribe our video channel. And there you are going to get more links about our recent videos. Thank you very much.